Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing safety. Confirm the Glock is unloaded and the magazine is removed, and then visually and physically check the chamber. Once done, place the pistol on a stable, well-lit surface and use a parts tray to catch small items. You should wear eye protection and have a dedicated workspace. Make sure smartphone photos or notes document original sight alignment. If you feel unsure at any point, stop and contact a qualified gunsmith. This avoids damage and legal risk. You assess the sight and the tool options without performing invasive work. Determine whether the sight is an original dovetail or an aftermarket model, and look for obvious wear or stress. Once you understand the type, weigh non-destructive solutions, such as using a sight pusher tool handled by a pro or taking the slide to a gunsmith for service. Make sure you reference the owner's manual and manufacturer notes and have the gunsmith's phone number at hand before proceeding with any further decisions. You complete the process by prioritizing inspection and verification rather than improvisation. If a professional did the removal, inspect the slide visually, then confirm function under safe, controlled conditions at the range. Once done, test sights for secure seating and alignment. If you observe binding, gouges, or loose parts, stop immediately and document the condition with photos. Make sure to consult a qualified gunsmith rather than attempting further home fixes. Keep receipts and parts information for warranty.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.